You wake up tired and you immediately judge yourself. Why can't I just get it together? But the reality is, it's not laziness. Look at how you've been living. You've been the one who holds everything together, the one who doesn't make it about you, the one who keeps on going even though you're drained. You say yes when you want to say no. You push through even though your body is asking you to stop. And you keep on showing up because that's what you've always done. And now you're realizing that you can't do it the same way anymore. And instead of listening to yourself and what your nervous system needs, you call yourself lazy. But you're not lazy. You're exhausted from being everything to everyone except yourself. I want you to hear this part loud and clear, especially if you're recovering from emotionally abusive relationships. You don't have to earn rest. You don't have to prove your worth by pushing yourself even harder than you do. You're allowed to stop and rest without feeling guilt. And if guilt is the reason why you can't rest, I want you to check out this video up here.